primary purpose of filing a Chapter 7 bankruptcy is to get a discharge of your debts. A discharge is basically a fancy way of saying you no longer owe them. We start with a blanket rule that all of your debts are discharged, but there's some statutory exceptions to discharge. If one of the exceptions apply, that's an unfortunate situation. But the exceptions tend to make sense based on public policies and who writes the laws. And certain things that are accepted from discharge would include child support, spousal support, typically student loans, most taxes, debts arising from a drunk driving, various categories of fraud, and another litany of specific types of debts that you cannot get out of. So a creditor can't just come into the court and say, you should still owe it, you should not get a discharge. It doesn't work that way. It has to be within one of those specific categories to not be discharged. And those categories typically make sense, and there's not usually a lot of fight over those categories. It's either in there or it's not.